Okay, so up next, we have Ms. Saperstein's grade 4 class. They're gonna do their own rendition of a little sea shanty with Fesso and Britain on accompaniment.
You should have seen us. Figurehead was a whore in bed, sucking a dead man's penis. The captain's name was Lugger. By Christ, he was a bugger. He wasn't fit to shovel shit from one ship to another. Second mate was Andy, Christ he had a dandy, till they crushed his cock on a jagged rock for coming in the brandy. Third mate's name was Morgan, by Christ he was a gorgon. From 8:30 he played till late up on the captain's organ.
Oh my God.
Captain's wife was Mabel, and by God was she able to give screw up on the galley table. Captain's daughter Charlotte was born and bred a harlot. The thighs at night were lily white, by morning they were scarlet. The cabin boy was Kipper, by Christ he was a nipper. He stuffed his ass with broken glass and circumcised a skipper. And they're swimming in the water. The light squeals came when some eels found her sexual quarters. His name was Freeman, he was a dirty demon. He fed the crew on menstrual stew and hymens fried and semen. The dog was called Rover, and we turned that whole thing over and ground that faithful hound from Tenerife to Dover. And when we reached the station, through skillful navigation, the ship got sunk in a wave of spunk from too much fornication. And on that good ship Venus, by Christ you should have seen us. The figurehead was a whore in bed, sucking a dead man's penis.